Welcome to the tutorial series related to computer networks brought to you by techify. If you can satisfy with this content, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today's topic is computer network architecture. What is computer network architecture means and why it is required? We will see in details. Computer network architecture represents how components are organized and how tasks are allocated in the network. It means how network components like PC, servers, printers in network organized in the network and how tasks are performed. There are two types of network architecture. First one is peer-to-peer network architecture. Second one is client-server network architecture. Initially, we will move to the peer-to-peer network architecture. As you can see in below figure, there are 3 computers and 1 printer. This printer should be shared between these 3 PCs, and each and every PC should share their files with each other. This kind of requirements can be fulfilled with this kind of peer-to-peer network architecture easily. In this kind of network, all the computers are linked together with equal privileges and responsibilities. Each and every computer can act as server as well as a client. It means sometimes PC can share file with others and it can download files from others, and there are no any dedicated servers. Then we will move to the advantages and disadvantages of this kind of peer-to-peer network. This kind of peer-to-peer network implementation is very low cost because there are no need of highly cost dedicated servers and no need of network administrators to configure those kind of dedicated server, and easy to implement and no much complexity. And if we will move to the disadvantages, complex to implement when number of computers are increased, and it is not easy to back up data without centralized system like dedicated server, and highly vulnerable to security threats because there are no responsible person to manage those things. Then we will move to the client-server network architecture. As you can see in this figure, there are 2 sides of this kind of network. One side is client side and other side is server side. So there are 2 major parts in this kind of network. One is server, other one is client. There is central controller, it is known as server, while all other computers in network are called as clients. A server is responsible for network security, network management, and managing all resources such as files, directories, printers in the system. All the clients communicate with each other through the server. They can't communicate separately because server manage all network. Then we will consider advantages and disadvantages of this kind of network. There is centralized system improves network performances and backup capabilities, because we know that drawback in previous system is major drawback in this previous system is backup capabilities. Now it is implemented in here, and improved security and sharing speeds, because there is responsible person, responsible machine in this network to control and manage those. Then we will move to the disadvantage. Expensive, as it requires dedicated high capacity server. It's very high cost, and we will need network administrator to manage all the resources. This is the end of this part, and thank you. Stay tuned with techify.